Hello folks, this is a 2011 Forest River Sunseeker 2860. It has 2 slide outs, lots of room, in excellent condition. Has the slide out awnings above the slides. Has low mileage. Your bedroom's back here where the big window is. So just imagine parking and having a mountain view or an ocean view. 5,000 pound hitch. Look at this storage compartment, folks. Pass through, goes all the way through to the other side. Power awning. The couch opens up. It's a jackknife couch, makes into a bed. You have a large bed up above the front seats. Sleep 2 easy enough. Like I said, folks, this motorhome's in great condition. And priced to sell. Lots of cabinets. You have a TV that swivels. Big windows. Lots of light in. Nice size shower. Walk right past the pantry. Pull out pantry. Back to the bedroom. Look at all the storage in the bedroom. Queen size bed. Once again, there's that window for the beautiful views when you park by the ocean or up in the mountains. Storage in the bathroom. This door has magnets, so when you close it like that, it enlarges the bathroom here. Very nice motorhome, folks. All it needs is a happy new owner so they can be happy campers. Give us a call here at Paul Sherry RVs.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.